Hello, I'm Crafty Patty, and I am so excited about doing a collaboration with my daughter, Tasha. I just wasn't motivated to get my craft room in order and get it organized, and she was really helpful. So have a look, and this is what she did for me.
Hi everyone, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Tasha, and I'm an online interior decorator. Today I wanted to talk about my mom's craft room makeover. So I wanted to go through the steps with you on what I did to come up with her design and the plan of action. So the first step that I did was I looked for inspirational images, and I just went on to Pinterest, and I know that we were going to kind of get some items from IKEA. I'd already had that information, so I just had to browse through Pinterest and selected some images that I thought would fit with her space. And then the next step that I did was I made a mood board. I know that organization was really important to her, and she wanted a space for everything, and she needed a lot of storage, and she wanted it to be clean and bright and airy. So these were the furniture pieces that I selected for her new space. And then what I did was reviewed the mood board with her and made sure she was happy with all the items that we picked. And then I created a linkable shopping list for her so she could purchase all these items online and have them sent to her door. So we're really happy with how the room turned out, and we're really excited to share this space with you all. If you're interested in interior design or makeovers, interior decorating, organization, I also have a YouTube channel myself, so you can check that out. We will link that in the description, and also my website as well. I will link that in the description as well.
Thanks, Tasha, for sharing all your knowledge on how it all comes together. Quite a while ago, actually, Tasha sent me photos of the pegboards to put in my craft room. I love them, but unfortunately, I didn't get to it right away. I am so busy making videos for you that I wasn't spending any time to organize my craft room. Well, what can I say? Making arts and crafts videos is so much more fun than cleaning. But I finally said I have got to clean up this mess. So I asked Tasha's assistance, and as you will see, it got me inspired. The inspirational images were great to keep me on track, and I printed out the mood board to keep me motivated, and I referred back to it several times. Having all the links to the products made it so easy and quick to order everything I wanted. I finally went to work and started cleaning up the mess. The hardest part for me was deciding what I could get rid of. I didn't want to get rid of anything. It's really hard for me. But I managed to put together quite a few bags and donated them to a local charity. So, going back to the mess that I was in, when I am filming videos for you, you hardly ever see any background clutter, right? That's because I don't show it. But when you really want to see what the background really looks like, then I'm going to share that with you. It's embarrassing. I really don't want to show you because you're going to be thinking, oh my gosh, how could she work like that? And I was. But now that it's all clean and clutter-free, oh, so much better. Warning, don't be alarmed. I was in a real mess, but I'm willing to show you so you can see the clutter I was in to where I am now in this beautiful craft room. So have a look at some of these before and afters, and you'll really get a good perspective on where I was and where I am now. One done. This one took about an hour to make. I have another 4 cabinets to make. The top, a couple of bins. I think that's a great start, and I blitzed. I'm tired. We've got the 2 Alex cabinets built, nice long sewing table, my pegboards, and now I just have to fill all my wonderful drawers with crafts. And then I can start on my other walls, and we'll just keep going until we've got this wonderful, beautiful craft room. Yeah.
So if you enjoyed seeing this craft room makeover today, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to my mom's channel, and also check out my channel as well if you're interested in interior design and organizational type videos. And thank you so much for watching.
What an improvement indeed. I'm so happy with my new craft room. It's so fun to work here now, and I can find everything. I know where everything is. So until next time, bye-bye.